In today's video, I'll show you how to translate audio using ElevenLabs and turn spoken content into a different language while keeping it natural and clear. If you've never used AI audio translation before, think of it as a tool that listens to a voice, understands what's being said, and then recreates it in another language using a similar voice style. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and open the Audio or Speech Tools section. This is where you'll find the option for translating or working with audio input. Next, upload the audio file you want to translate. Make sure the recording is clear and easy to understand, because better audio quality leads to more accurate translations. Once your file is uploaded, choose the language you want to translate it into. You'll usually see a list of supported languages, so select the one that matches your target audience. After that, you may be able to choose a voice option for the translated output. Some settings let you keep a similar voice style, while others allow you to fully switch to a different voice. Now click the Generate or Translate button. ElevenLabs will process your audio, extract the speech, translate the content, and then rebuild it as natural-sounding speech in the new language. When it's done, play back the translated audio. Listen carefully to check pronunciation, timing, and clarity. If something feels off, you can try adjusting settings or reprocessing the audio for better results. Once you're satisfied with the result, download the translated file and use it in your videos, lessons, podcasts, or any multilingual content you're creating. And that's how you translate audio using ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.